Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the poem from the book Beehives. The name of the poem is Rain on the Roof. It's a very beautiful poem written by poet Skinny. Talking about the title of the poem, Rain on the Roof, it suggests the childhood memories the poet has of rain. So during his childhood, how he enjoys the rain, with whom he enjoys the rain, it is here. So as we all know, the rain has a magic like effect on him. Every time it falls on his room, he lays lazily in his room and listens to the music of the rain. As he listens to the music of the rain, it triggers thousands of memories, as if his thousands of memory come alive. So in particular, the memory of the poet's mother putting her children to sleep at night is shown in his mind. So every time it rains, the poet relieves the golden moments of his childhood. Thus, we can say the title of the poem, Rain on the Roof, can be termed very appropriate. After reading this poem, the message which the poem conveys is that the rain has healing powers and form lasting memories in human mind of the sound, fragrance, and our experience associated with it, especially those who are involved, our loved ones. So we can say that rain refreshes and rejuvenates us and forces us to recollect and relive our past memories. So we are again able to relive in our past memories. We can imagine our situations when we were young. So this after reading this poem, we are able to get this message that rain heals our power, that it heals and form the lasting memories in the human mind. Clear? So this is all about the message. Then talking about the poet Coet Skinny, he was an American lawyer, politician and journalist. He studied law and later he became a journalist and worked on papers. He was a paymaster in the US Army. He wrote poetry and his verses were collected in Cuca. The verses were, these are the poems, the name of the poems. The Rain on the Roof, which was set to music, was the most popular. So among the poetry collection which he has, this poem was the most popular. So he was an American lawyer and was interested in the politics and was a journalist too. In our book, we have 3 stanzas for the poem, but in actual, the poem has 5 stanzas. So we will start with the poem. Now we have the introduction of the poem. Just imagine the situation when sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining. What thoughts flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? So I think the children love the rain the most, as they love to dance in the rain. So similarly, the young ones too can love the rain. So what thoughts flashed our minds as we just listen to the sound, to the music of the rain? So the poet presents the memory that arose in his mind by the showers falling on the tin roof. The poet connects his present with his past through the memories revived by the rain. So this is there in the introduction.